made a video a couple of days ago to share with you guys some of the money mistake I made that cost me over £3,000. And I got quite a number of requests saying I should make videos around, explaining about the ISA account here in the UK, the different investment opportunities available, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. I'm going to be talking about the different investment, accounts you can open as an immigrant in the UK that's going to earn you extra income, and also talk about some bank accounts in the UK that gives you interest. Trust me, guys, I've got quite a number of bank accounts, and I can share with you some of those accounts that actually give me monthly income or monthly interest on the money saved in the account. So if you're in the UK and looking at investment options, something that's going to, you can tie your money to that brings back return, then you sure do want to watch this video till the end. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, what are you doing? Please click on the red subscribe button to join the amazing growing family. And my returning subscribers, thank you guys for being here. I really do appreciate you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Before I get right into the video, I'd like to give a special shout out to the sponsor of this video, Swap Money. Now, Swap Money is a platform that allows you to make money transfer. It gives you the chance to transfer pounds to naira, naira to pounds, and pounds to 30 other currencies. So with Swap Money, you get real-time exchange rates, you get dual beneficiary payment, you get no transaction fee and instant payment. Now, my first transaction with Swap Money got to the beneficiary in less than 5 seconds. So what are you waiting for, guys? Please go on Apple Store, Google Play Store, and download Swap Money. And you can also use my referral code Daniel J so that you can start your money transfer transaction with ease. Trust me, guys, you'll definitely be glad you did. If you're looking at which regular bank in the UK you can open and get interest on your savings without any risk at all, then I'm going to recommend two banks. The first one is Revolut Bank, and the next one is Sterling Bank. Now, these two banks, I've got my funds in those two accounts, and the good news is that I get monthly interest on those accounts without me doing anything. So my savings is secured, and I still get interest rates on the funds pooled in those two accounts. So if you'd like to open an account or know more about this, go to the description of this video, click on the link, use my referral. Personally, many people understand the fact that I'm someone who is really big about money management, effective money management and investment. And I've been in the UK for over 3 years now, and there's some mistakes that I've made on when it comes to money matters, and I felt it's important for me to share with you guys so that so many of you can actually avoid some of the mistakes I made and also get to learn some of the things I did right in terms of investment. So I'm going to be talking about the different investment opportunities or investment options available for immigrants, for students, for those on skilled worker visa, even those who are on indefinite leave to remain, the different investment options that you can harness to help you build your financial portfolio. Now, the first investment I'm going to be talking about is called the lifetime ISA. Now, this lifetime ISA is majorly for people who are looking at buying their first house in the UK. Now, this was a mistake I made in terms of the lifetime ISA. Now, with the lifetime ISA, you get like a contribution from the government. So this is the way it works. It's one of the best ways to save for your first home. It can be used to put money aside for retirement. So it's not only for your first house, it can also be used to save money for retirement. Now, one of the things you're going to get from the lifetime ISA is you get 25% government bonus. That's up to £1,000 a year for free, and you're allowed to save up to £4,000 each tax year, and also you get free mortgage service. Now, with this lifetime ISA, one of the things you get to enjoy is, let's say for instance, the max you can save a year or for each tax year is £4,000. So if you save £4,000 this year, you get £1,000 for free from the government. So if you do that for, let's say, 5 years, and you save £4,000 every year for 5 years, it means at the end of 5 years you've saved £20,000, and the government adds £1,000 each year as their contribution to your lifetime ISA. So at the end of the 5 years, you end up having £25,000 saved for your deposits for the first house you want to buy, or if you're not buying the first house, it's also for your retirement. So that was one of the major things that I actually lost. So I never knew about the lifetime ISA for a long time. So by the time I was ready to open the lifetime ISA, it was too late because I wasn't going to get any benefits, the £1,000 benefits on the lifetime ISA if I was buying my first house. So it's really important if you're looking at buying your first house in the next 2 years, in the next 3-4 years in the UK, this is the right time for you to open your lifetime ISA. Now, another investment opportunity is called the cash ISA. Now, with the cash ISA, you get about 5.11% interest on the amount saved in that account, and the minimum balance you can put in a cash ISA is £500, and you can deposit up to £20,000 each tax year, and you earn tax-free interest on your savings. Now, make up to 3 withdrawals every 12 months without impacting your rates. So this is the way it works here. Now, the minimum amount you can put in your cash ISA is £500, and the maximum you can put in there is £20,000 each tax year. Now, the fantastic thing about the cash ISA is that you can only withdraw 3 times. You can only make 3 withdrawals in a year. However, if you make more than 3 withdrawals, you're going to lose the interest rate you're supposed to get on that account. So it's more like a savings account that you can just put your funds in for a long time. So if you have any urgent need for the funds, you can make withdrawals 3 times a year without impacting the interest rates. So I think it's really a fantastic thing you can do. So if your balance falls below minimum of 500, remember the minimum should be 500, but for some reason your balance fell below £500, you will earn a lower rate of 0.75% and temporarily lose the bonus rate until your balance increases to 500 or more. Now, if you make 4 or more withdrawals within the 12-month period after opening your account, you will earn a lower rate of 0.75. So just make sure the funds you're putting in your cash ISA are funds that you probably wouldn't need for the next couple of months or years. Now, how do you fund your cash ISA? You can add money via regular or one-off deposits, transfer in existing cash ISA you owed elsewhere, and move the money into your money box saving account. Now, you can also access your money if you withdraw from your cash ISA. Your money will be with you by the end of the next working day. Another investment opportunity is called the stock and share ISA. So if you're looking for a way to actually invest in stocks, then this is an opportunity for you. Now, you can start with £1 and invest up to £20,000 each year with tax-free gains, and you can also earn 3.80% interest on cash. Now, choose one of the investment starting options and make your own selection from the range of funds and US stock. Now, what is the time frame for this stock and shares investment? Now, your investing should be long term, that is 5 years and above. So don't put funds that you're probably going to need in the next 1 year or in the next couple of months. Make sure there are funds that you probably wouldn't need for the next 5 years and above. And you may get less than you invest. You should also keep a short-term cash supply for emergencies, because you wouldn't be able to access these funds as quick as you would for other investment options. So make sure that you're actually looking out for this. And if you put in £1,000 in the next 2 months, you might end up having £800, and you might end up having £1,200. So it really varies based on how the stocks you invest in are actually performing. Now, the fees for this the stock and shares account or stock and share ISA is that you're going to be required to pay a monthly fee of £1. So it's a monthly fee of £1 and an annual fee of 0.5% of the fund fees, and you also be charged directly by the fund provider. Now, for any money held in available cash, Moneybox will retain the difference in any between the interest rate paid by the third-party bank and the rates paid into your account. Now, these are some of the major ISA accounts available here in the UK if you're looking at investing. And as a matter of fact, I still got some other investment options I'd like to talk about. But if you find this video insightful and you'd like me to talk more about the other investment option, please state in the comment section so I know that you guys are actually getting value on this investment video. So if you want me to make a part 2 to share with you guys the other investment options that I've got my funds in, then I'll definitely do that to show that you guys actually have interest in this kind of video. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button. If you find this video resourceful, do well to hit on the like button. And if you've been following my channel, you subscribe to this channel, I really do appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you for being here. So this will be the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.